Okay, I want to show you my duplicating machine I made. Right now we have queen and leg in there. I'm duplicating. Light ain't very good, sorry about that. You can see in the front my gear system. The gear system is to keep both legs turning in the same place, keep the same position while I'm cutting. And let me go over here and kind of show you how this works. Okay? Now, with the gear system right here, and the follower I got, which is the same size as the router bit that I got, as you sit here and turn, see, you can turn your leg, this one here comes the same, and then you can cut it out. Works pretty good. Right now this leg's a little chopped up. This follower broke on me while I was cutting this, and I didn't realize it until too late. But I like the gear system because it allows me to keep both legs at the exact same position throughout the whole process as I'm cutting. Also, you'll notice this here queen and's got a block on it. When you're doing queen ands, the point of center is past this foot right here. So what I've done is I added a block to put my life center in. I made life centers on both sides, which are adjustable. You can bring them in, and then you got cranks in the back to tighten it up. I've got my bearings here, which is I got bearings on each side in order to keep it straight. If not, it tends to want to rock. But this is what I've got going on so far. Great for making table legs. Queen ands are a little hard to make, but it's really a great machine. It works pretty good. If I'd had to do something different, I would change this rail here into a rail system instead of this little bearing, because it does have a little bit of give to it. So I have to, a little finish work I have to do to the leg when I'm done in order to make it presentable. But it cuts the shape out, it gets me where I need to be, and it don't take real long to do it. So when I get my walnut and cherry and stuff in there and I want to duplicate these legs or whatever I want to duplicate, I can make the same legs over and over and over, which I love. But the best part I like about this is when you're done making table legs, you can turn your gears right there. I do a little flat work too. So I made this to slide in. You clamp it in. And right now you'll see I got pistol grips right here. Okay, these are actually glued to the board, they don't ever leave. And right here is where I'll clamp my board. I'll change my follower to this one right here because I got a different bit. This is the same size bit that I have. I'll bring it over, trace it out and cut it. And it duplicates my pistol grips. Not only just pistol grips, but it'll duplicate my shelf brackets I make. So when I'm making something I need to make the same shelf bracket, like this is a copy I got right here, I put it in a different board. I put this down, I'll clamp it to the board, and then clamp my wood piece over here, change my bit, go over here, and cut my outline. So, works pretty good. Tell me what you think, any suggestions. But I get both out of this. Instead of just cutting flat work or just cutting table legs, I can actually do both pieces with this. It really works great. It's a little more difficult to use than a factory job, but I built this whole thing for like $400, and it has really been a lifesaver. So just stop in and see us at Allen's Woodworking, and I'll update it as I get my motors and stuff put on. I'm going to change this to a regular metal gears because I want to hook a motor to this, and then I'm going to hook a rail that'll actually bring this up as it turns and duplicate my legs that way, make it kind of automated. But leave a comment, tell me what you think. Thank you.